Good afternoon, everyone. Steve Georgia here from Allendale's trading floor. It's September 20th. I wanted to give you guys a rundown today of really what happened. A very light volume day for the grains. And much like yesterday, we saw a pullback real early yesterday, and what happened? The market ended up strengthening up. Well, today was the absolute opposite. All this talk of China coming in, China buying corn, China rumors. They're going to need all these million metric tons of corn, and we had everything China this morning. So we did open very strong, corn up about 11, 12 cents at one point. We finished corn down 2 cents. So kind of rejected that. But it was the lowest volume that we have seen in almost a month. So very light volume today. Trade just really wasn't there. So we saw buying early that just kind of dried up. Came back to about unchanged where we hovered most of the session, and then just finishing a little bit lower for the session. Beans, 2 cents higher. So there too, found some strength early on. China came in and bought some beans today, so we had some sales to China. But the lowest volume we've seen in beans in about 3 weeks. So there too, went up against some good resistance. That 1350 area, we were not able to stay above that. We closed at 1338. So we're chopping around. For wheat up 1 3/4 pennies. Very quiet, but we were higher. Funds came in and bought about 1,000 contracts of wheat. We closed wheat right at 674 3/4. So as I mentioned, the funds there for wheat with 1,000 contracts. You had beans that were even on the day. So the funds were even today on beans, which we had 6 straight days of selling from the funds, and now we had more of an even day today. Maybe we'll come in to support it. But we need to take out that 1350 area in beans. We need to see a close back above $7 in corn. If we can do that, we may see an upside up to that 715 to 720 area again in corn. But today, kind of a stale day. Some excitement early and then just a lack of news. So if we're going to get the lack of news and continue that tomorrow, we may end up being lower. We need to see some bullish news come in here to push this market higher. Otherwise, we have harvest right in front of us that's keeping us from rallying. As far as crude oil, crude's up $1 today after being down yesterday, 86.75. You got the dollar that was down about 8 cents today, 77.53. Stock market up 112 points right now. It is staying stronger. We've got a little bit yet for that session, but right now we've seen some pretty solid gains yet for the stock market. We'll see if we can hang on to those. Metals reacting to a lower dollar. Gold up $25, putting that at 1802. You had silver up 71 cents right now, putting that just below that 40 mark. Silver's been in a range, basically anything down below 39. Guys have come in and supported, all the way up to get above 41. They've been selling it. We've been in a small range there for the silver. Looking at the livestock today, fat cattle about $1 higher, feeders up about 117. You had the hogs about $1.45 higher. So overall in the livestock, stronger day. Cash cattle traded yesterday 116. A little disappointing, down about $1 from Friday's close. We are looking for trade to remain steady this week. We'll see if that happens. We had box beef. That was kind of mixed today. Choice up about 50 cents, select down 27. So that's staying a little bit mixed, keeping guys on their toes. As far as the hogs, we got cash hogs that are still firm. So we've seen that trade still stay a little bit higher. That's keeping some support in this market. We've seen a nice bounce over the last while. But want to let you guys know, I mean, we do feel that this buying may end up drying up by the end of the week. Out a little bit further, we still feel that we may continue this downtrend that hogs have been in. So be careful on this rally with hogs. But as I said today, not too bad, up $1.45. We'll see if that cash can stay strong for another couple days yet and see if we can get a little bit more strength for the hogs. I want to thank everybody for listening in today. We've got a free trial right now for our research. Also, we've got a harvest special for those of you that want to jump in and get that bought. We've got a conference coming up in January. Take a look at those calendars. We've mentioned it before. See if you can make that. It's at the end of January. I really promise you guys a good time. We've got some great speakers coming, and we'd like to help you guys get here any way we can. So give us a call over here, 800-262-7538. We're always online at allendale-inc.com. Hope you guys had a great day today, and have a great rest of the week. Take care.